Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Mazda BT50 Freestyle XT Freestyle Cab Ute. Stock reference number 4662. The shape runs from the 10th month 2011 to the 8th month 2015. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left power door mirror. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. It's got a factory fitted alloy tray supplied with all bolts and brackets. Does have rear ladder rack. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. It's got an aftermarket Safari snorkel with all fittings. Right driver side door trim. Power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Black leather center console lid, manual type console, 4-wheel drive type, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.